the HFE gene. This gene controls how much iron we absorb from food. So typically what happens, you eat a diet and it contains a certain amount of iron, but the HFE gene makes sure you only absorb a small amount of it. So you eat a steak and the body decides, okay, let's absorb a little bit of iron, but most of it actually goes through and ends up in the toilet. So this is a very, very stringent regulation because we don't have a way of getting rid of iron, so we just regulate it by how much we absorb. But 1 in 200 people, and 200 Caucasians, has a genetic variation in this gene. So this gene doesn't work correctly. And what happens is the body absorbs way too much iron from food. Now, this is a predisposition to a disease called hemochromatosis, this iron overload disorder. And contrary to people who are iron deficient, they tend to store more and more iron in the body. So the recommendation for them definitely is to avoid high iron food, and more importantly, do not supplement with iron. So this is actually a case where 1 in 200 people, so pretty much three people in everybody's group of acquaintances that he knows, statistically 2 to 3 people, they should not be supplementing with a standard multimineral product because they would actually harm themselves. So this is a very good example of where a genetic test gives you information of what kind of nutrients you should avoid. And this is really something you can only get from genetics. With lifestyle, nobody knows about their tendency to absorb more iron. So